What is good, everybody? All right, so today we are gonna get on the full exhaust pieces I have right here. We got single exit, and let's just get to it. Let's jack the car up and get this started. Well, you know, thought this exhaust setup was gonna be easy, you know, a little bit easier than what I was expecting, but it actually became complicated and ran into some issues. So it's a new day. We are gonna try to solve those issues by today and have it fully up. But right now, the problem going on is that under here, right in there. So right here where the J pipe connects, see right there, I got 3 bolts off, but there is 4. There's one in like the upper right hand corner, and that one right there isn't very easy to get to, and one of the studs are broken, which is this bottom left one right there. That bad boy is broken, so I'm gonna have to extract that and probably go find an OEM one if I can find one from the dealership. If not, I'm gonna have to go online and get one. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a stud remover today and a bolt extractor, and hopefully I can get the rest of this off so we can get the new exhaust up. So from there, we're gonna just have to do that, go get the parts, probably hit up AutoZone or O'Reilly or something like that, and get straight to it. Well, with all best efforts still, all I did was round out the nut with that bolt extractor and can't get no good angle on it. So now hello darkness, my old friend, I'm gonna have to use like a 6-point ratchet, you know, for the stud to try to remove the stud itself. So hopefully it breaks, you know, hopefully it just comes off. Hopefully it comes off before worst comes to worst and I have to drop the whole turbo and everything and, you know, basically drill it out from there. But that'd be a pain in the ass if it happens. But other than that, let's try this next thing and hopefully I can get it off. Alright, so right now this is like the 4th attempt of trying to get the exhaust on this car. And so I have the headers out right here. We have it all taken apart now. This is probably like the easiest part to take off this whole install, was taking off the headers. But there's one bolt right, let's see here if I can get some good lighting real quick. I'll pull this up. There's one bolt right there, rounded out, and it won't come out or anything. So now it's time to go probably find a shop or call one of my friends to see if we can get this nut out real quick. But after that, we'll be able to install all the other goodies that are right here. So stay tuned. Alright, so we finally got that one nut off. Stupid J pipes out the way. Got that all done. Now it's time to hook up the whole exhaust system and put the air intake in, and we should be all ready to go. Alright, so right now we got one of the holes rethreaded. We have one of the studs still in there, still trying to get that out. Recommend getting a blowtorch, guys. Really recommend getting a blowtorch, because whoever said getting your J pipe out was easy, your mom's a hoe. Gosh. Oh. Other than that, everything's coming out smoothly now with the blowtorch. Next thing, we're gonna get the intake in, get the cop tuner in, and we should be on our way. This car should be up by the end of today. Let's get it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Let's see if it focuses. Look at that. Man. These bad boys are a B. Like legit. Look at this, guys. Look at it. So stripped. Good thing we got new ones. It's nighttime. We finally got everything drilled back in to the manifold. Finally got the exhaust all the way fully connected. Next thing I gotta do is put up this air intake real quick, tune the car. It should be 100% to go. But right now we are gonna do a sound test. Shout out to my boy Eric out here in the cut. So go ahead, follow him. More videos to come soon. But let's get this sound test. Alright, so first start real quick. Hopefully the car starts right back up. Hopefully. Oh! Engine light right now. It's probably because catless. Yep. Okay. So it's nuts and studs. Let's give it a small little. Woo! Bro, it sounds mean, bro.
Hear that whistle now?
Bro.
I told you with that catless. You hear that?
Yeah!
You hear it?
Oh, are we really out here, boy? Shout out to Demi. Oh, hey, we coming with that smoke, boys. About to take over his Evo type. We have the air intake on, and Eric had to leave because he already had to work tomorrow. So we have it on right there already. Got that all assembled. Got that together. Now it's time to put the cop tuner on. Tune the car real quick. The car sounds amazing. It's tuned. So loud. I'm tired. See you guys next time. Peace out. I'm going to sleep.